Hello everybody, I am Priya Pandey from class 9th A, and today I will be giving you information about a scientist who is not well known, and his name is Dr. Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar. So let's get started. Introduction. Dr. Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar was born on October 19, 1910 in Lahore, India. His father's name was Chandrasekhar Subrahmanyam Iyer. He worked as an employee in the government of India, and he was also a musician. The famous scientist Chandrasekhar Venkataraman was his uncle, who won the Nobel Award. Dr. S. Chandrasekhar was very fond of his uncle, so he got interest in science as well. He was the third of 10 children in a well-educated family. His mother was a translator who taught her children to read, while his father was the Deputy Auditor General of the Northwestern Railways. Now let us move on to the next topic, that is education. Chandrasekhar was tutored at home until the age of 12. In middle school, his father taught him mathematics and physics, and his mother taught him Tamil. In 1918, his father transferred to Madras in Chennai for his work, so he attended the Hindu High School, Triplicane in Madras, during the years 1922 to 25. Subsequently, he studied at Presidency College, Madras from 1925 to 1930. Writing his first paper of 10th standard. When he was not of even around 18 years old, at that time too, he published a research article named Indian Journal of Physics. The Canton Scattering and the New Statistics in 1929, after being inspired by a lecture by Arnold Sommerfeld. He obtained his bachelor's degree in physics in June 1930. In July 1930, Chandrasekhar was awarded a Government of India scholarship to pursue graduate studies at the University of Cambridge, where he was admitted to Trinity College, Cambridge, by R.H. Fowler, with whom he communicated his first paper. During his travels to England, Chandrasekhar spent his time working out on the statistical mechanics of the degenerate electron gas in the white dwarf stars, providing relativistic corrections to Fowler's previous work. In 1933, he earned his doctorate degree. Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar was an astrophysicist. He discovered that massive stars can collapse under their own gravity to reach enormous or even infinite densities. Today, we call these stars collapsed stars, neutron stars, and black holes and supernova. Now let us come to the next topic, that is awards. Sir Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society. Henry Norris Russell Lectureship. He even got Nobel Award in 1983. Gold Medal of the Royal Astronomical Society in 1953. National Medal of Science, USA in 1966. He also was conferred with Padma Vibhushan in 1968. Henry Draper Medal of the National Academy of Sciences in 1971. Copley Medal of the Royal Society in 1984. Honorary Fellow of the International Academy of Science in 1988, and many more. Dr. Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar died on 21st August 1985. Thank you. Directed by Priya Pandey of 9th A. and PPT made by Faria Sheikh of 9th A.